Have you ever seen the majestic Mount Fuji? Standing at 3,776 meters, it's Japan's highest peak. This near-symmetrical volcanic cone is a national symbol. It's visible from cities like Tokyo and Yokohama. Mount Fuji holds deep spiritual significance in Japan. It's revered in both Shinto and Buddhist traditions. Artists like Hokusai have captured its beauty. Climbing Fuji is a popular pilgrimage for many. Thousands ascend each year to witness Goreiko. The view at dawn is simply unforgettable. Its unique beauty earned it a UNESCO World Heritage status. Mount Fuji blends cultural heritage and natural splendor. It's an enduring icon of Japan that inspires all. So, are you ready to explore this magnificent mountain?